The old way of passing SAP exams is over. The new positioning SAP Business Technology Platform as part of SAP Business Suite exam is no longer about memorizing multiple choice questions. Now, you face AI-driven role-play scenarios where SAP acts like a real client and challenges your recommendations. If you can't position SAP BTP in practical business situations, you fail. In this video, you'll practice realistic exam scenarios, learn how consultants respond in SAP's performance-based assessments, and build the decision-making skills needed to position SAP BTP effectively. Designed for SAP sales and pre-sales professionals, this certification tests your ability to identify customer pain points, recommend the right BTP capabilities, explain business value, and handle stakeholder objections, just like in the real exam. Scenario 1. Legacy systems and AI adoption. A manufacturing company has multiple disconnected legacy systems. Their CIO wants faster innovation, AI adoption, and unified analytics, but integration costs are growing every year. You are the SAP pre-sales consultant. The client asks, why should we invest in SAP BTP instead of keeping our existing middleware tools? A strong exam answer starts with business outcomes, not product names. You should explain that SAP BTP helps unify fragmented landscapes while enabling AI-ready business processes. Then position the correct SAP services. SAP Integration Suite for connecting SAP and non-SAP systems. SAP Datasphere for unified business data. SAP Build for low-code innovation. AI services for intelligent automation and decision support. This is exactly how SAP's scenario-based questions evaluate consulting ability. Now the AI role-play cross-examines you. The stakeholder asks, why shouldn't we use separate AI tools outside SAP? Your response should focus on business context. Standalone AI tools often lack integration with core ERP processes. SAP BTP keeps business data, workflows, analytics, and AI inside one governed ecosystem, reducing complexity and improving security. Scenario 2. Business Suite modernization. Let's move to another SAP exam simulation. A retail company running SAP Business Suite wants faster digital transformation without replacing all systems immediately. The stakeholder asks, how does SAP BTP support modernization without disrupting operations? In the SAP performance-based exam, the key is balancing innovation with operational continuity. A consultant-level answer explains that SAP BTP allows side-by-side extensions instead of modifying the ERP core directly. This enables faster innovation, lower upgrade risk, scalable integrations, process automation, cleaner architecture governance. You should also mention low-code capabilities using SAP Build. This helps business teams create apps and workflows faster, while IT maintains governance and security standards. If you want realistic SAP hands-on practice for the new AI role-play format, check out certshero.com. You can practice SAP exam tasks, AI scenario simulations, flashcards, and mock assessments designed around the actual exam experience. Scenario 3. Executive objection handling. Now let's practice one of the hardest parts of the exam, objection handling. A CFO asks, why should we spend on SAP BTP when we already invested heavily in our ERP landscape? This is where many candidates fail SAP scenario-based questions. Do not respond with technical jargon only. Position SAP BTP as a business acceleration platform, faster process automation, reduced integration complexity, AI-driven decision-making, improved agility, future-ready architecture. Then connect these capabilities directly to measurable business value. A strong consultant answer sounds like this. SAP BTP protects your ERP investment while extending its capabilities. Instead of replacing systems, it modernizes processes incrementally and enables AI-driven innovation across the organization. Scenario 4. AI and data strategy positioning. In another realistic SAP exam task, a company wants to scale enterprise AI but struggles with disconnected data sources. The The stakeholder asks, how does SAP BTP improve enterprise AI readiness? The best response focuses on trusted business data. SAP BTP combines integration, governance, analytics, and AI capabilities into one ecosystem. SAP Datasphere helps create unified business context, while AI services leverage reliable enterprise data for smarter predictions and automation. AI interviewer pop-up, what business risk does this reduce? Then connect technology to business risk reduction, reduce data inconsistency, better compliance, faster decision-making, more accurate AI outputs, lower operational inefficiencies. That's exactly what the new SAP performance-based exam evaluates. The candidates who pass aren't the ones who memorize definitions. They're the ones who can think, communicate, and respond like real SAP consultants. To continue practicing SAP exam simulations, AI role-plays, flashcards, and hands-on scenario-based questions, visit certshero.com. Keep practicing consistently, focus on business outcomes, and build real consulting skills. Because in the actual SAP exam, performance matters more than theory.